What if the secret to waking up your body's sleeping repair crew wasn't found in a pharmacy, but hidden in a specific combination of ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now? Today, we aren't just talking about a drink. We are talking about flipping the biological switch that time turned off. You might be thinking, that sounds promising, but my body feels too far gone. Or I've tried everything, and the scale won't budge. I hear you. We are often told that aging is a slide into decline that we just have to accept. We're told that our stem cells, the builders of our body, retire when we hit 60. But what if that's wrong? What if those cells aren't retired, but just dormant, waiting for a specific chemical wake-up call? The protocol we are discussing today isn't about starving yourself or running marathons. It's about leveraging a specific window of time in your morning and a specific synergy of ingredients to trigger a process called autophagy, literally cellular housekeeping. In the next few minutes, we are going to break down exactly how to do this. We aren't just going to give you a recipe. We're going to hand you the manual for your own cellular reset. We have 5 specific levels of this protocol to cover, from the foundational purity step that most people ignore to the liquid gold structure, all the way to our game-changing revelation, number 1. The specific timing mechanism that makes this 10 times more effective than just taking a supplement. You need to stay until the very end, because if you get the ingredients right but the timing wrong, you might accidentally block the very benefit you're trying to unlock. This is the difference between simply drinking tea and activating a metabolic reset. Before we dive in, if you're ready to reclaim your own vitality, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Join our community of proactive seniors who are refusing to let age define their limits. And, of course, a quick but important reminder. I am a researcher and strategist, not your personal doctor. All the information shared today is for educational purposes. Everyone's health situation is unique, so please consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or health regimen, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are on medication. Let's use this knowledge to have informed discussions with them. Let's begin our journey to cellular renewal. We are going to build this protocol, layer by layer, starting with the foundation and moving up to the most powerful metabolic activators. Our first insight seems deceptively simple, yet it is the step where 90% of people fail before they even start. We call this insight number 5, the foundation of purity. You can have the most potent medicine in the world, but if you dissolve it in dirty water, you compromise the cure. Many of us wake up and immediately reach for tap water or coffee. But for the aging body, particularly after the cellular environment is often dehydrated. Not just thirsty, but chemically parched. To truly grasp how this works, let's use an analogy. Imagine your body is like a dried-out sponge sitting on the kitchen counter. If you pour a thick, nutrient-dense soup onto that dry, hard sponge, what happens? It doesn't absorb. It just sits on top or spills over. You need to wet the sponge with clean, clear water first to make it pliable and absorbent. Your cells work the same way. If they are dehydrated and filled with the residues of yesterday's metabolism, they cannot transport the nutrients we are about to give them. Therefore, the base of this drink is not just liquid. It must be 12 to 16 ounces of high quality, warm or room temperature water. Why? Warm. Because ice-cold water shocks the digestive system and constricts blood vessels, exactly what we don't want when we are trying to open up pathways for absorption. We want to gently wake the gut, not startle it. So, this 5th insight is critical. Use reverse osmosis or filtered spring water. We want to avoid the chlorine and fluoride often found in municipal taps, which can be minor irritants to the gut lining. We are setting the stage for deep absorption. Now that we have our base, we need to talk about what cannot be in your system if you want this to work. This brings us to strategy number 4, eliminating the metabolic blockers. The issue here is that many of us unknowingly consume substances that slam the brakes on stem cell activity and autophagy. We think we are eating healthy, but we are consuming hidden inflammatory. Think of your metabolism like a finely tuned fireplace. You want to burn clean, dry logs to get a hot, consistent fire. But consuming seed oils like canola, corn, soybean, or sunflower oil, is like throwing wet leaves and plastic onto that fire. It creates smoke, which is inflammation, and suffocates the flame, which is your metabolism. These unstable fats can integrate into your cell membranes, making them sticky and resistant to the very signals we are trying to send. Consequently, for this 7-day protocol to work, and frankly for your general longevity, you must ruthlessly avoid these industrial seed oils. They are often hidden in salad dressings and heart-healthy spreads. Instead, we want to fuel the fire with stable, ancestral fats, which we will get to in a moment. Also, in this blocker category, we must include artificial sweeteners and sugary drinks. Even if a sweetener has 0 calories, the sweet taste alone can trigger an insulin response in the brain. Insulin is the antagonist of autophagy. If insulin is high, cellular cleaning is turned off. It's a biological seesaw. They cannot both be up at the same time. So, strategy number 4 is about clearing the path. No bad oils, no fake sugars. With the path cleared and the water ready, we now add the active signaling agents. This is key number 3. The spices of renewal. We are going to add 3 specific powerhouses to our warm water: turmeric, cinnamon, and quercetin, which is often found in powders or extracts. Why this specific trio? A major hurdle for many seniors is chronic, low-grade inflammation, the silent killer that rusts our joints and arteries. Traditional medicine treats this with painkillers, which mask the signal, but we want to turn down the volume of the noise itself. Let's look at the analogy of a construction site. If the site is noisy, chaotic, and full of debris, the architects, your stem cells, cannot focus on building new structures. Turmeric, specifically its active compound curcumin, acts like the site foreman who quiets the noise and organizes the crew. It is a potent anti-inflammatory. However, turmeric is hard to absorb, so we always add a pinch of black pepper or, in our case, the healthy fats coming up in the next step to help it slip into the bloodstream. Then we have cinnamon, about 1 teaspoon. Cinnamon is not just for flavor. It is a metabolic master. It mimics insulin, helping to shuttle glucose out of your blood and into your cells without the need for a massive insulin spike. It stabilizes your energy. And finally, quercetin, about half a teaspoon. This is a flavonoid found in onions and apples, but in extract form, it acts as a senolytic. This means it helps hunt down zombie cells, old, damaged cells that refuse to die and just sit there pumping out inflammation. Quercetin tells these zombie cells, it's time to pack up and leave. So, key number 3 is about creating a chemical environment where inflammation is low and sugar is stable, allowing repair to happen. We are getting closer to the most potent part of the formula. This is crucial secret number 2, and it involves 2 ingredients that provide the raw materials for your new body: high-quality extra virgin olive oil and collagen peptides. Here is the reality. You can trigger all the repair signals you want, but if you don't have the bricks and mortar, you can't build a new house. As we age, our collagen production plummets. That's why skin sags and joints creak. Furthermore, our cell membranes, the outer shells of our cells, need high-quality fat to stay fluid and responsive. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. But listen closely. It must be high quality. Much of the olive oil on grocery store shelves is cut with cheaper oils or has gone rancid. You want the real stuff, peppery, green, and rich in polyphenols. Think of this olive oil like the highest quality motor oil for a classic car. It lubricates the gears and protects the engine parts from grinding against each other. The polyphenols in fresh olive oil activate genes associated with longevity. It is the fuel that encourages your cells to switch into fat-burning mode rather than sugar-burning mode. Paired with this, we add 1 tablespoon of collagen peptides. This is the mortar. It provides the specific amino acids your body needs to rebuild the connective tissue in your gut lining, your skin, and your joints. Now, a quick note on safety for this step. Adding a tablespoon of oil to a drink might sound heavy if you have gallbladder issues or a very sensitive stomach. If that's you, start with a teaspoon and work your way up slowly. Listen to your body. We want this to be a nourishment, not a shock. By combining the oil and the collagen, you are creating a liposomal effect, where the fat helps transport the nutrients and the turmeric from key number 3 deep into the cells. This combination is what starts to slim the waistline. The body finally has the safety signal of good fat, to let go of the stored emergency fat, the visceral fat. We have arrived at the summit. We have the water, the clean environment, the spices, and the structural fats. But none of this matters without the ultimate revelation number 1. This is the secret sauce. It is not just what you drink, but when and how you use it to flip the autophagy switch. The critical error most people make is drinking healthy smoothies or juices with their breakfast. They mix it with toast, eggs, or oatmeal. This is where the process breaks down. As soon as you introduce a significant load of carbohydrates or proteins that trigger insulin, the process of autophagy stops dead in its tracks. Here is the revelation. You must drink this concoction first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. And then, this is the hard part, you must wait at least 30 to 45 minutes before having any other food or coffee. Why? Let's go back to our cellular cleaning analogy. Autophagy is like a cleaning crew going through your body, eating up the cellular junk, the broken proteins, and the old mitochondria. This cleaning process only happens when insulin is low and the body senses a mild fasted state. The olive oil in this drink does not spike insulin. It mimics a fasting state while still providing energy. It's what scientists call a caloric restriction mimetic. It tricks the body into thinking it's still fasting, which keeps the repair crew working, but it gives you the energy to function. If you drink this and immediately eat a bagel, you send the repair crew home. But if you drink this and wait that golden 45 minutes, perhaps go for a light walk, do some stretching, you are extending the overnight repair cycle. You are allowing the stem cells to finish their shift. This is the synergistic switch. The combination of the polyphenols from the oil and spices, the senolytics like quercetin, and the timing in a fasted state creates a metabolic storm that clears out the old to make way for the new. This is why you see results in 7 days. It isn't magic. It is math. It is biology. You stop interrupting your body's own healing process. So, the protocol is: wake up! Mix 12 to 16 ounces warm water, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon collagen, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon quercetin, and a pinch of sea salt. Drink it, move lightly, wait 45 minutes before breakfast. Do this for 7 days straight. And there you have it, our game-changing revelation number 1. It might seem surprisingly simple to just wait 45 minutes, but as we've explored, that silence in your digestion is where the magic happens. That is when your body rebuilds. So, we've covered a lot of ground today. We started with insight number 5. The foundation of purity, cleared the way with strategy. Number 4, spiced things up with key number 3, built the structure with crucial secret number 2, and locked it all in with the timing of revelation number 1. Each of these is a powerful tool, but together they are a renovation kit for your body. Which of these insights resonated with you the most? Was it the idea of removing zombie cells with quercetin? Or maybe the realization that your healthy olive oil needs to be consumed away from carbs? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please share them in the comments below. I read them, and I'm always inspired by your dedication. If you found this journey through these health discoveries valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others find our community. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more powerful strategies tailored for our fantastic group of healthy seniors. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep thriving.